Hello everyone. Welcome to tutorial series of Learn Relational Database by Retail Shop Application Development in msaccess. In this tutorial, I will teach you msaccess make table query. You may ask me that. Sir, what is make table query and why it is required? I'll explain. A make table query in msaccess is a type of action query. It creates a new table and populates it with data from an existing table or tables. This can be particularly useful for creating backups, archiving data, or preparing a dataset for analysis or reporting. These are the purposes of a make table query. Data backup. It is used to create a copy of data for safekeeping. Archiving. It is used to move old data to a different table for storage. Data preparation. It is used to create a table with specific data for reports or further analysis. These are the steps to create a make table query in msaccess. 1. Open your Access database where you want to create the new table. 2. Go to the Create tab and click on Query Design. 3. In the Show Table dialog, add the tables or queries you want to use as the source of your data. 4. Select fields by double-clicking on the field name you want to include in the new table down to the Query Design grid. 5. Set criteria to filter the data if needed. 6. Go to the Design tab. In the Query Type group, click on Make Table. 7. A dialog box will appear asking for the name of the new table. Enter a name for the table. 8. Choose whether you want the new table to be created in the current database or another database. 9. Click on the Run button on the toolbar. msaccess will prompt you to confirm the creation of the new table. Click Yes to proceed. By following these steps, you can effectively create a new table, populated with specific data from your existing tables, making data management tasks in msaccess more efficient. Let's jump into msaccess to closely look into this concept. Here on the screen in front of you, can see Customer Table. I want to create a table based on this customer table. In addition, I want that this new table have all customers whose city is Delhi. Let's start in msaccess. Observe me closely. Click Create ribbon and go to Queries section. Click Query Design command button. Show Table dialog box pop up. Select the table in this dialog box. In this case, I want to create a table based on this customer table. So, double-click Customers table and close the Show Table dialog box. Customer table will come in Query pane. Double-click the asterisk mark in Customer table to select all the fields. Then, double-click City field in Customers table. You can see down here, City field. Uncheck the Show tick mark. Put Delhi in the city criteria. Then, go to Query Type section, over here in front of your screen. Click the Make Table command button. As soon as you click the Make Table command button, Make Table dialog box pop up. It will ask you table name and database where you want to save table. Here, I want to save in same database. So, we will choose Current Database. Give some meaningful name to table. Here, we will give Customers Delhi. Then click OK and click Run command over here to execute the query. Boom! Customer Delhi table is created and you can see over here, in front of your screen. Congratulations! You have created very first make table query in msaccess. So, this is all about make table query. All these tools and technique will help you to build retail shop application. You can utilize these concepts to make your own application in the field of your requirement. In my next tutorial, I will teach you update table query. All these video are super easy to understand. If you like this video and wanted to learn more in msaccess, then this is the right place. Please do like, share and subscribe. You will get notification as soon as my new tutorial uploaded. Till then, bye bye.